So since I couldn't film the twisting part of the other video, I decided to split it and film 2 different videos. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly how to make your own 2-strand twist. And wait, I need some pics. Wow, edges. I'm going for the medium size twist, not as big as the ones that I had in when I was applying my chebe, but maybe about 5 times smaller. I don't want mini twists, I just want twist that I can carry around without having to put my hand in my hair because of this chebe. This chebe is still in my hair. So yep, I'll just get right into it. I think this is the first time I'm doing a detailed 2-strand twist video. I'm not sure if I still have one on my channel, but if I do, I'll link it below. The first thing we're going to do is get your tools down. So for this, I'm going to be using my parting comb just for parting. I'm not sure I'll be needing this because I don't want to comb my hair, but I just might, so I'll keep this handy. And then you'll need a moisturizer. My hair is already moisturized, so I'm just going to be applying this sweet almond oil from Caris Naturals. So that's about it. And then I have a little rubber band. You can get clamps to section up and hold your hair. So yeah, I'm going to, and then this I have this towel on because of the chebe. Like I said, I don't want to deal with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to make your straight line part. Okay, so after that, I'm going to just pass my fingers through this section and subsequent sections, and then I'll start to twist. For your twist, you divide each section into 2 parts, and then you kind of make the end secure. So just twist it once, and then put this underneath, bring the other section over, do the same thing, twist it just to secure the ends, and then do that once more, and then you're good to go. Now this is also the technique that I use to get my twist fluffy. So at the end of the day, you just want to keep your hands really light while you twist all the way to the end. I don't want it smooth. Now I'm going to show you something. You see this hasn't been done properly. So you want to make sure your twists are quite even, like in the picture. And then you, if it's not done well, don't be afraid to loosen it and then do it again. Yep, that's better. I'll do the same thing for the other 2 sections.